It's 8:55 a.m. on a Monday. A new hire logs on in exactly 5 minutes, and their credentials aren't ready. To get them working, an administrator has to manually create their email, assign specific application licenses, send out welcome invites, and configure individual security policies. This manual process relies entirely on human input. That creates failure points, typos in email addresses, hours of delayed access, and mismatched permission levels that can leave sensitive files exposed. There is an alternative. A zero-touch system executes every one of these fragmented tasks instantaneously, triggered by a single action without generating a single IT ticket. In this masterclass, we are going to build a complete architectural blueprint for that exact automated onboarding system using the Okta Workforce Identity Cloud. By engineering out the manual data entry, the IT department transitions from a reactive help desk into a proactive strategic engine for the business. Step 1 requires a foundational data layer. Before we can automate access, we need a single repository that knows the exact identity of every user. Okta calls this the Universal Directory. Think of this directory like the guest list at an exclusive venue. If a user's profile isn't established here first, downstream applications reject them. This documentation details how we build that central list by connecting to an HR app. Under profile mappings, declarative rules map attributes like name, role, and location straight from the HR system into the directory, preventing duplicate data. This connection works bidirectionally. If an HR manager promotes an employee and updates their job title, Okta instantly reads that new attribute and updates the master identity record. By establishing the HR system as the starting trigger, manual data entry is eliminated entirely. The Universal Directory operates as a living reflection of your company's actual headcount and structure. Now that we know exactly who the user is, we need a way to automatically grant them the tools required for their specific role. This introduces lifecycle management and the core logic of attribute-based provisioning. By mapping attributes, we dictate that any user holding the department title marketing is instantly connected to Adobe and Salesforce. Section 11.2 shows the exact protocol making this possible: SIM-based integrations. SIM automatically creates, updates, or deactivates accounts. Scanning down to the Okta integration network, we see the sheer scale of this capability: over 8,200 pre-built integrations ready for deployment. In an enterprise environment, SIM provisioning takes a process that routinely leaves developers waiting days for access and reduces it to 3 seconds. When an employee leaves the company, this process reverses. The moment an offboarding event is triggered in HR, Lifecycle Management executes an immediate access revocation across every connected application. This automated lifecycle guarantees day one productivity for new hires, while serving as a strict security perimeter that closes access gaps the minute someone departs. Standard provisioning handles the software accounts, but onboarding still involves complex, multi-step human tasks, like sending a welcome message to a manager or submitting an IT hardware request. To orchestrate these fragmented identity processes, we use Okta Workflows, a specialized no-code automation platform. Workflows operates on visual domino logic. First, set a trigger, like a user added to engineering. Next, evaluate a condition, like verifying their location is New York. Finally, the system executes actions, simultaneously pinging the Slack API and opening a ticket in ServiceNow. Because Workflows uses pre-built connectors to communicate with nearly any API, you can bridge different enterprise tools without writing custom developer scripts. This section of the documentation outlining Workflows specifically highlights the available use cases and a library of pre-built templates, allowing administrators to rapidly deploy automation for these scenarios. Workflows acts as the final piece of the architecture, closing the gap between basic software provisioning and complete employee readiness, all without human intervention. Our end-to-end architectural pipeline is now complete. A single trigger in HR flows directly into the Universal Directory, pushes out through the OIN for provisioning, and triggers workflows to handle all final notifications. We have achieved a zero-touch state. No IT tickets are generated, access delays are eliminated, and human error is engineered completely out of the loop. This final document shows how we can push this security model even further. Sections 11.5 and 11.7 indicate that these exact automated identity protocols can be extended outward to legacy on-premise applications and external B2B partners. Take this conceptual blueprint and open your Okta console. You are ready to begin the physical build of your automated environment.
Mastering this identity infrastructure dictates exactly how a business scales its operations securely.